Hi, welcome to my channel Start Smart with Technology. So before today I'm going to explain what is Oracle, what is Oracle SQL, what is the purpose of using Oracle SQL. And before going to start the session, so please share, like and subscribe to my video. So before going to explain the main concept of Oracle SQL, so I would like to explain about the example, a practical example of Oracle SQL. So let's start with the let's start with an example. Okay. Okay, so see here I'm taking the example of library. I actually forgot about this database and forget about this database and SQL letters. So here I'm taking the example of library. So when we are going to the library, so there is a librarian, so who can manage the all the data books and the database of books and all. So first we went to the library, we can meet with the librarian. So he asked to what is the books we are searching, and what is your registration number, or what is if you are a new member or a old member and all. So after taking our information, the librarian process the our request, which means that so he can search the books which is are available in the library or not. And after that he can give me as a output, like which is the books is available, he can give us the books, and he can enter in the database. If the books is not available in the library, he can say that the books is not available, they are in the process, which means that so they are in stock, they are not in stock, they are in process to come within 1 week or 10 days. So this is output. So to communicate with the librarian, we are using a language called English. Okay, so to come first we can go for so I'm giving the clarity. First we can go for the library, so we can meet with the librarian. So librarian process our request and show as an output. And so to communicate with the librarian, we using a language called English. See here I'm highlighting this. So at the same way, so here to communicate, so database, which means that the data which are confidential, or we can store the data, some kind of data. Let us say an example of files. Okay, so we can store the data. To communicate with the data in the database, here we using an same as a librarian, we using a language, I mean we using a database called database management system. Here database management system is managing the data which is stored in a database. Okay, to communicate with the database management system, we using a language called SQL, structured query language. Okay, in earlier SQL is called sequential query language. See here I am writing sequential English query language. Okay, so later it is changed as structured query language. Okay, to communicate with the database, we so here DBMS would be there, that's fine. So communicate with the database, and we are using here SQL language, structured query language. So by using an SQL, we have to query means simplified form of a request. So here we are in library an example, we are simplifying the English language. Here we are simplifying the SQL language. So in the same way, so very easy concept. And I hope you understand this. I hope you understand this concept. So in the future videos, I can explain about what is the hierarchical networking database system, and procedure of DBMS, and what is the purpose of using the DBMS and all. So I hope you understand this video, and please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.